Hey there. I am Mo, your DIY guide. Today's DIY, maintenance of truck battery. So let's start. You will need battery terminal brush, or wired brush, baking soda, old rags, petroleum jelly, wrench set. Step 1. Open the hood and locate the battery. Make certain all switches and accessories in the truck have been turned off. Step 2. Disconnect both terminals starting with a -1. Step 3. Brush them with the terminal and post brush. Step 4. Clean the top and sides of the battery using baking soda plus water solution. Step 5. Coat the posts of the truck battery with petroleum jelly. This will prevent corrosion. Step 6. Reattach the terminals, beginning with the positive terminal. Some tips you should remember. Check your truck's battery every 3 or 4 months. Clean dirty or corroded battery. If the battery dies or loses its charge, be sure to recharge it. Do not allow it to remain drained for long periods of time, as it could result in greater corrosion. Stay tuned for more automatics DIY tips.